Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Subaru Impreza radio. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal immediately to avoid shorts. Remove the trim carefully using plastic pry tools to prevent scratches. Unscrew mounting bolts and slide the radio forward slowly while watching for wiring harnesses. Label connectors as you disconnect them to simplify reinstallation. Keep screws organized and test power only after reconnecting the battery. Begin removal by gently prying the surrounding dash trim using plastic tools to reduce scuffs. Locate and remove the visible mounting screws holding the radio in place and keep them together. Pull the radio forward enough to reach the wiring harnesses, then release connectors with a firm, even pull. Unplug the antenna cable last to prevent bending. Inspect connectors for corrosion before reassembly and replace damaged clips as needed. When reinstalling, start by reconnecting the main wiring harness and antenna to ensure proper signal flow. Gently seat the radio into the dash while checking that no wires are pinched behind it. Tighten screws in a crisscross pattern to distribute pressure evenly and prevent panel warping. Reinstall trim pieces last and press firmly until clips engage. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on the system to confirm full operation before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.